It's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video, and today is a very good day. I'm really excited. I've just got the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so it just arrived moments ago. So I'm just going to open it up with my very sharp knife here, and we're just going to take a look and see what comes in the box. Okay, so I got mine in this brown box here, and I got it from Argos UK. The price was £869. Okay, so this is the box S9 Plus. So we're just gonna take a knife and open it up and then see what comes in the box. So let's just... Okay, it says European SIM card only. Okay, so let's just cut into the plastic there and then take it out. Let's take it out of the sleeve. Got another seal here that we need to cut. Okay, so let's just take it out here. And we've got the Samsung Galaxy branding there on the box with the little plus sign. Okay, so the phone's here. But let's just put that to the side for the moment. And here in this little box, you get the quick start guide. That'll just be to explain how to set the device up and everything. And here you get the SIM ejector tool. And this is the charger, and it's got adaptive fast charging there. You can see the little logo there. Also get this USB connector. This is to connect like an Xbox controller or a USB thumb drive. You can also use it to transfer files from your old device onto the new device, so that's really cool. And that's another little USB connector there. And we get some nice AKG headphones. These are supposed to be really good. I'm going to try them out. Also get a little packet here with some earbuds for the headphones. And this is the USB cable, which you plug into the charger to charge the phone up. So this is the device here. Looks really nice. Nice big 6.2 inch display. So here on the side you've got the volume rocker, the dedicated Bigsy button. Here on the other side you've got the power button, USB port, also a 3.5mm headphone jack there, and that's a speaker, also a mic, We've also got a speaker there on the top. Also here on the back, got a 12 megapixel camera there, dual camera. Also the fingerprint scanner, and we've got the flash there. So yeah guys, this was just the unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, I'll be doing some more videos on this device. Thanks for watching. If you're getting this device, let me know in the comment section down below. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.